Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update iOS if needed and make sure you know your Apple ID credentials because the store needs them. Once done, force close the App Store and iTunes Store to clear a hung session. Swipe up or double press home, then swipe the apps. After that, go to Settings and tap your name, scroll down and sign out of iCloud briefly. This resets authentication tokens. You do this to remove corrupted sign-in data before re-establishing a fresh connection. Next, focus on connectivity and cache settings because many iTunes errors come from network or settings conflicts. First, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a clean reconnection. Then reset network settings to clear DNS, VPN, and Wi-Fi caches. This won't delete media, but will remove saved networks. Once reset completes, reboot your iPhone, reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G/5G, and sign back into your Apple ID so the iTunes Store can establish fresh, validated connections. Now validate the repair by opening the App Store or iTunes Store and initiating a free download or sample. You need a confirmed transaction to test authentication and payment paths. If the problem remains, sign out and back into Apple ID one more time, and consider deleting and reinstalling any app that triggers the error because corrupted app files can block store interactions. If nothing works, check Apple system status for outages. If the service is down, wait and try again. This saves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.